Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt stuck while using Turbotax and just wanted to talk to a real person, you're not alone. In this full 2025 guide, I'll show you, step by step, how to quickly reach a live Turbotax agent, skip unnecessary roadblocks, and get the help you need without wasting time. Stick around to the end so you know exactly what to have ready before the call so your conversation goes smoothly. Why contacting a Turbotax agent matters. Turbotax is built to be user-friendly, but some tax situations are simply too unique for FAQs or chatbots. Whether you're dealing with a complicated filing question, need help navigating a feature, or have a security concern, talking to a real representative can save you hours of frustration. Start at the official Turbotax website, open your preferred web browser, and go directly to the official Turbotax site, or simply search for Turbotax in Google or Bing. Once you land on the homepage, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. Turbotax updates its design often, but the key links remain easy to find. Locate the Contact Us section scroll all the way down the homepage. This part is important because the link isn't always front and center. Near the footer of the page, you'll see the Contact Us option. Click it. On the next page, you may see another Contact Us button. Click that as well. This is the gateway to reaching an actual Turbotax agent. Explore quick resources. First, before connecting to a live person, Turbotax will offer guides, FAQs, and automated solutions. These can be helpful for simple issues like password resets or common filing questions. If your problem is straightforward, these resources might save you time. But if your situation is more complex, say you're troubleshooting a filing error or have detailed tax-related questions, proceed to contact an agent. Connect with a live agent. Once you select that you still need help, Turbotax will guide you toward options like live chat or scheduling a callback. Be ready to verify your identity. Turbotax takes security seriously, so have your account details, username, email, and any verification info handy. Stay patient during wait times. Peak tax season can mean a short hold, but having your details ready speeds up the process once you're connected. What Turbotax agents can help with agents are trained to assist with a wide range of issues. Questions about the filing process, troubleshooting software, or feature navigation. Specific personalized tax-related concerns. Whether it's a tricky deduction or an unexpected error message, a live representative can give you tailored guidance that self-help articles can't. And that's it. A foolproof way to reach a real Turbotax agent in 2025. With these steps, you can save time, avoid frustration, and get personalized help when you need it most. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick, practical tech and finance tutorials. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your taxes this year.